What's up, guys? So today I got my son a new ride. And then I got a rocker base for it because he's not fully there yet, but he loves anything with two wheels, just like me. So it was only right. We start him now. So I figured I'd see how this thing was put together and the little rocker base, and we'll see how the little man likes it. He's still at school right now, so another like 2 hours. So we'll see how long this thing takes to put together, and then yeah, we'll see how he don't like it. Let's get to it. Alright, so far this base has taken about like 2 minutes. It all pretty much clicked together, but it's just got these little, like just these little clips. They just push right down into the thing and lock in. So it's nice and secure, but pretty much all just clicked in. I'm assuming those will lock in the axle and stuff, slide it in this side, but yeah. So far, super simple. So I just got it all unboxed, pretty much assembled. There's not really much to it, but it's got these two spacers, an Allen key, I'm guessing the clamp for the seat. Well, no, I'm assuming clamp for the handlebars, since that's the only thing off. Seat's already got one. And taller seat post, I'm assuming, because it's got the bolt hole in the top for that. So won't be needing that yet. But so it looks like I really just got to put the forks on, put the front wheel on, and mount it to the base, and then see how little man likes it. Alright guys, so there it is. All finished up. It took probably a total of 15 minutes for full assembly and everything. So it's actually pretty cool. Of course, you already know we had to get my man the green one. So yeah, now it's just pretty much wait for him to get home and see how he likes it. Hopefully he's not too tired when he gets here. But yeah, so that's that. We'll see him when he gets home. What happened? You like it? Do you like it?
Good job.
There you
Good
go.
job, baby.
Get on. There you go. Vroom, vroom.
Bentley, you love it? You love it? Good job.
Hey, don't bite it.
No bite. Friendly, no bite.
Vroom, vroom.
Tire.